He's saying you must ask Michael only whether it is up to a specific minister that you have to get clarification from Michael. So how can I talk on behalf of Michael? What is his opinion or what he has experienced? We do not know.
He said
In
that
which department he is talking about is also not known.
he said all the ministries. He said.
I don't think he will never say all the ministers. You know, he will never say all the ministers because in the morning he called up and he said that I have never said all the ministers. There are specific in some of these ministries he is not happy with, and he talked about that.
तुम्ही अशी नोटीस बी तशी कितें करूंक ना न्ही कोणाचें काम करना रिप्लाय दिना
No, absolutely no, because ministers are there, they are doing a good work, and we cannot satisfy all the people. We cannot reach out to all the people. Even in my ministry, there may be some lapses. Nobody is perfect in the world. You know, if there are lapses, we have to learn and we have to get rectified. If the reporters are bringing to our notices that certain things are not improving, so we are not God on this, that everything what we do is, but definitely all the ministers are doing to the best of their abilities, but there may be some lapses where we have not paid attention timely.
पण तुमकां गेले फावटी बाबुशान परफॉर्मिंग मिनिस्टर नंबर 1 दिल्लो तेच्या उपरांत आतां रिशफलाची गजाल आयकपाक येता ताका लागून मायकल बी कितें उलयता अशें दिसता तुमकां
नो मायकल आय डोंट थिंक मायकल हाजे कडेन नंबर 1 नंबर 2 अशें कांय नासता कळ्ळें न्ही आमचे कडेन पयलें जर जाय कांय एरियेन भितर एक मिनिस्टर नंबर 1 आसतलो दुसऱ्या एरियेन भितर नंबर आतां म्हजें डिपार्टमेंट आसा सोशल वेलफेरान भितर हांव नंबर 1 आसपाक शकता किंवा एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ पर्सन विथ डिजेबिलिटी हांव नंबर 1 आसपाक शकता दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटांनी एखाद वेळ रिवर नॅविगेशनाक नंबर 2 आसपाक शकता नंबर 3 आसपाक शकता सो देर आर सम स्पेशलायजेशन्स आवड निवड ही प्रत्येक मिनिस्टराची आसा काम करपाची ताजी पद्दत आसा त्या डिपार्टमेंटाची पूर्ण म्हायती आसता तेन्ना त्या डिपार्टमेंटान तो बरें काम करपाक शकता अशें कांय आसतलें सो इन ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट one cannot be good in all the departments and in all the department nobody is a failure. I am only telling you all the ministers in all the departments they are not the failures. They have their specialization, they are good at their work whichever they handle.